here with Pink and Main. It's December 1st, so it's time to share our subscription products for the month. This month, our stamp and die of the month is called Snow One Like You, and it's these adorable penguins. We've got one holding some balloons. We've got one doing some ice fishing, and we have a couple that are playing in the snow with the snowballs. We've got lots of sentiments to go along with them, so you can use them for a variety of things. I'm doing the happy dance for you. That was snow kind of you. Sending warm hugs. What'll I do without you? I'm snow glad we're friends. It's your birthday, have a ball. Warm winter wishes. Thanks snow much. Congratulations. And there's Snow One Like You. I don't know if you can tell, but I've made the ice look icy with our touch of gloss. I love using that. I've also used it over on the balloons to make them look like real balloons. It's really fun. And then on the snow, if you could feel it, it's nice and fuzzy. I've added our sparkling cottontail flock to the snow, so it's a little bit of sparkle, and it's also got that fuzzy, velvety feel. Super fun. So if you subscribe to our stamp of the month, you're going to get this 4x6 stamp set shipped to you on the 10th of the month. If you subscribe to the stamp and die of the month, you're going to get the stamp and the coordinating die. They're a great value price, and isn't it fun to just get something super cute and fun in the mail every month? Now let's talk about our Crafty Courtyard Kit, which is our monthly card kit subscription. When you purchase the current monthly subscription kit off the website, it starts you in a subscription that reoccurs every month until you skip a month or you cancel it completely. But why would you want to cancel when you get such a fun box of goodies every month delivered to your door? This is the postcard. It says Hello Winter, so you can see we've got some really pretty colors for wintertime, some mittens. On the back of the postcard, it tells you everything that's inside the kit. We've got a couple of bonus items this month I can't wait to share. And we've got our color palette and where you can join our Facebook group to share your creations with others, as well as see what everyone else is creating. I'll start with the cardstock. So you get 5 sheets of our colored cardstock this month. Now our colored cardstock is solid core colored all the way through. It's a 100-pound cardstock, so it's nice and heavyweight and sturdy. You can make your card bases out of it even. And you also get 2 sheets of our 110-pound white ice rink cardstock. You always get one of our zippered mesh project bags. These are great for storing all kinds of things. You can store your kit goodies in it. You can travel and craft on the go. Lots of uses for that. Let's jump right into the goodies inside the bag. We've got an exclusive sequin mix here. These are gorgeous confetti sequins. We have some holographic, some mirror sequins in there, as well as some white and some clear. They come together to make this beautiful sparkly mix. We've got some glitter enamel dots in all the colors that coordinate with the kit. You get a full 6x6 paper pad. This is called Snow Day. That's the theme of the kit. So I'll just go through some of the patterns here. We've got multicolored snowflakes, some dash lines, some chevron. We've got more dashed lines, another color, and some stripes. Some thicker stripes. Oh, look at those mittens. Aren't they cute? We've got some more little snowflakes in blue. We've got this multi-stripe here with snowflakes and mittens and hearts. Look at that. That's an adorable pattern. I love that with the hearts and the snowflakes. A beautiful plaid, some more snowflakes. And then we get some larger snowflakes in different colors. We've got some gingham. Oh, that's beautiful, that blue. I can't wait to create some cards with this kit. We've got more gingham and snowflakes. Here again, just in different colors. Some more gingham and dashed lines. And then we start back to the beginning again. So you get 24 sheets. They're double-sided, so you get 2 of each pattern. We've got a 6x6 stencil for you. And it's got those adorable mittens with the hearts and the snowflakes and the dots. That's going to make a super cute background. You also get a 6x6 embossing folder. Look at this one with all the different snowflakes and the dots in the background. That's going to make such a great background for some cards with this kit. We have our 6x6 stamp set. It's got a row of the cute mittens. It says warm winter wishes. Baby, it's cold outside. Wishing you well. And then we've got some little mittens here that say let it snow. Hello winter. Happy winter days. Little Frosty the Snowman hat there. Let's get cozy. We've got a couple of individual little snowflakes, a heart, and then we've got 2 larger snowflakes. So you can do lots of different things, lots of different techniques with this stamp set, and you can make some really nice winter themed cards. And you also get the coordinating dies. Now the coordinating dies are for the 2 larger snowflakes and the heart it will cut out. And then I've given you a couple of mittens, as well as a little snow globe. Isn't that cute? So you can make shaker cards with that. The sentiment stamps will fit inside the snow globe. So I can't wait to see what you create with these items. I said there would be 2 bonus items in this kit, and you are not going to believe what you're going to receive. We're going to be giving you a magic anti-static brush inside your kit to help you with all of your embossing, as well as with your flocks and your glitters. This just helps to keep the static away. It takes the moisture out of your paper. Everyone here at the office thought I was crazy when I said I wanted to include this in your kit, but that's not all. We're also giving you an embossing powder. We're giving you a sample size, so it's half an ounce instead of a full ounce. It's going to last you a good long time, of our wintergreen embossing powder. This has never been released. You're the first to get it. It will be released later. It's a beautiful teal color with holographic and silver glitter inside. It embosses beautifully, and it's going to look great with all the cards that you create with this winter themed kit. So can you believe it? 2 bonus items this month, a magic anti-static brush and a jar of embossing powder. I'm so excited to be able to do this for you. We love and appreciate each one of you, our subscribers. And we feel like we spoil you every month with the contents of the kits. But when we can go a little bit extra, we really do try to. So we hope you enjoy everything that's in the kit this month, as well as your bonus items. It's a perfect month to subscribe if you haven't already. So if you subscribe to our monthly subscription kit, the base price is $34.99. We do add a shipping charge based on your location where you live. But each month, on the 15th of the month, we ship out your kit to you, and you get a big box of Happy Mail delivered to your door. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this closer look at our December subscription products. You can head on over to pinkandmane.com to check them out for yourself. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.